In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Xero certification. Now, the first thing you have to do is you want to go to central.xero.com, and then on here, you want to click on the Learning up top, which is the second tab. In here, it's going to say Xero certifications. You want to click on Get Certified over here, and then on the next page, you'll be able to see here it says View Your Certification Status. You can just click on the Login button and, of course, log into your account, which you must have if you actually want to become Xero certificate and of course get the certification. And in here it's going to start loading you inside the central. There we go. And then you'll be able to see your current certifications and your badges, and then down here you can see what certifications you can get. So you can click on show more over here and you can go ahead and see which options you have here. So let's say you want to go for this one, you can just click on it. And this is basically a course for which you could get a certification, as you can see here. And you can go ahead and click get started over here. And when you do this, you basically can just get started with this course over here. And then when you get to the end, you'll of course get your certification. So of course, just make sure you read everything, go through everything over here. And then whenever you complete this, you'll get exactly what you wanted to get. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.